Hey guys, this is my trade recap for today, November the 30th. I traded two stocks, MAR, Marriott. It gapped down because there was a data breach, obviously bad news, and then I lost 0.16 R on that. The next one I traded was Sprouts. Also gapped down because they were downgraded by Bank of America and their CEO is leaving. And I lost um, zero point 0.4 R there. So my losing streak continues. I'm down about almost 5 R since the 19th. But on the bright side, I'm ending the month at 3 R. It's small, but it's green. So, well, this is MAR. Um, and it opened down here 114 from 121, which I think it was about let's see, open percent, so minus 7% is the gap. And if you look at the daily chart, yeah, this has I was hoping it would reach down here 106. But the average through range is only 2.99. So from the opening, maybe times two, you would. I was hoping maybe at least 6 points, $6 down. So when it opened, um, these were the pre-market levels, support and resistance, and it kind of tanked before the open, and it looked weak, and so I started shorting here because I was afraid of missing out on the $6 potential move. But instead of coming down, it popped back up, and I added up here, risking this line. So when it looked like it was starting to reclaim, I cut it, and then it popped up, and then fell back down. I restarted, um, and then it again reclaimed, so I cut it again, and then came back down. I restarted, and then popped. This time I said I'll just hold. If it um, goes beyond here, I'll cut. Um, and it came back down, started holding down here, so I added. But it started moving up again, so I just cut the whole thing. So 3 tries, and um, and it wasn't coming down, so I just let it go. And I was watching it all day to see if I could see a point of entry. And sure enough, here it formed my favorite pattern, the descending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. And timing-wise, it's close to 1 p.m., which is when a lot of late day fades happen. So because it had also rejected 115 several times already, I started out with 2 tiers. And then sure enough, I got the start of the late day fade. I made almost $1, and then I covered just ahead of the big support level here on Bookmap. There are a lot of bids here, and sure enough, it bounced from there. And I was hoping it wouldn't bounce too far, but man, it bounced back, and I said, I'm not gonna get that $6 move. So I didn't touch it after that. So bummer. Next trade is SFM, Sprouts. So from where it opened, I was looking at down here 20 or 21 as my profit target. Um, and let's see, entries. Um, so well, the upper level is here on this line. So it opened, rejected, came back down hard, and as soon as it fell under support, I shorted it, and I stopped out on the reclaim. And man, these things are just keep on reclaiming on me. So I'm like, screw that. I'm not gonna fool around with this one. I'll just concentrate on MAR, and I'm not gonna fool around with this. But it did fade down, although not as much as I expected. It only came down to 2240, um, and so it's just up here when it could have gone down all the way there. And let's see, so the ATR on this one was just 0.86, and it was already opening at minus 12% anyway, so maybe that was the cost there. Anyway, I'll review my trades for this month and see which patterns are working for me, which setups are not working, and hopefully I'll do better next month. And that's my trade review.